Hello students, we will see theorem 6.4. How to solve this theorem? Now see, if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle. So it is given, sides of one triangle is proportional to the sides of other triangle. So I will take a triangle ABC, okay, another triangle PQR. Okay, so here we have written PQR, right? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now given, what it is given? If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the side of other triangle. So we know it is AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. This is given. Right? We know what is the meaning of similar triangles. Yes, we know the definition. The sides are in proportion and the angle should be equal. So, but right now, suppose we don't know anything, we need to prove what? See, to prove. Okay, 6.4 is which theorem? It is of SSS. Yes, if two triangles sides are in what? Two side triangle, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are what? Similar. If three sides are in proportion, can you say the triangle ABC is similar to PQR? That we need to prove. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and also prove that corresponding angles are also what? Equal. Angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle. That also you can write, no problem. But I will write this only, which is important. And if you prove this, so we can apply this SSS criteria to solve the question. Now see proof. So before proof, construction. What will be the construction? So construction. What is the construction? Same. Take a point here. Okay, and here also. So mark point, okay, K and T on PQ and PR, PQ and PR. So you have K and your T, such that AB equals to PK and AC equals to PT. AC equals to PT. AB equals to what? PK and okay, AC equals to PT, and join this. Join KT. Join KT. Okay, we have joined the KT. Now see. After this we will do proof. What is proof now? So we will use this given data, right? We know AB upon PQ equals to what? AC upon PR. We will take AC upon PR. Okay, it is given. Why I have taken that? Because we have taken AB equals to PK and AC equals to PT, and we can apply the converse of BPT. Okay, to prove that KT is parallel to QR. See how? Instead of AB, what you will get? Instead of AB, you will get PK. So PK upon PQ equals to, instead of AC, PT upon PR. Right? I can see PK upon what? PQ and PT upon what? PR. Okay? This is only possible with the help of what? Thales theorem. Yes, it's a converse of Thales theorem, we will say. Converse of Thales theorem, right? Okay, so PK upon, it means, name this as equation 1. So from 1, I can say KT is parallel to what? KT is parallel to what? QR. KT is parallel to QR. Reason? By converse of what? Thales theorem. Okay, converse of corollary of Thales. I can say like this. Converse of corollary of Thales. Okay, corollary will also have the converse of it, right? Then after that, as we have proved this, name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now we know KT is parallel to QR. Now can we say angle 1 equals to angle 3 and angle 3 equals to angle 4 to, okay, angle 1 equals to angle 3 and angle 2 equals to angle 4, right? So it is a part of PKT and PQR, triangle PKT. Okay, we can say similar to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By AA similarity, which we have proved theorem 6.3. PKT is similar to triangle what? PQR. Okay, I think all of you got this. Why it is similar by AA criteria? Because angle 1 equals to angle 3. Okay, corresponding angles. And here also it is corresponding angles. Right? Okay. Now we got this one. Can we say PK upon PQ equals to KT upon QR? Name this as second. By similarity it is possible, yes. Similarity you can write, or you can write CPST. Okay. Now, see why I have taken this only, because if I take triangle ABC and PQR, by construction AB equals to PK, right? AC equals to PT. But can I show BC equals to KT with the help of given and this what we have proved? So I think yes, because PK upon PQ means what actually? PK can be replaced by what? PK can be replaced by AB. You can write AB upon PQ equals to KT upon QR. Name this as 3, because we know PK equals to what? AB. That's why. Okay. Now, if I say BC equals to KT, then I can say ABC is congruent to PKT. We will see now. We will use the given. What is given there? AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR. Okay, equals to fourth one. Now see, AB upon PQ, right? I want to select this BC upon QR. So I will erase this. Why to write this? You write this, you will say it is given. It is what? Given. It is given part. So see, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So we can say KT upon QR equals to BC upon QR. QR get cancelled, you will get KT equals to BC. Right? You got KT equals to what? BC. Now if you take a this, name this as what? Phi. Name this as what? Phi. Now we can say next one, what you will write? Construction only. AB equals to what? PK. It will be in reverse order. AB this side and PK this side. Then construction only. AC equals to what? PT. These are what? Sides of which two triangles? See, ABC and PKT. We can say therefore triangle ABC is congruent to which triangle? Is congruent to triangle PKT by SSS criteria. So if two triangles are congruent, can we say they are similar? Right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PKT, and already we have written there triangle PKT is similar to what? Triangle PQR. Right? From these two, what you can say now? ABC is similar to PKT and PKT is similar to PQR. So from this, name this equation something, or here we will name it. Yes, we will give the name to this phi this has 6. From 5 and 6, you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence it is proof.